everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make disposable face masks out of a way that other people on YouTube have not been showing you. Let's get it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 napkins or 3 napkins, however many ply you want this. I know the Walmart face masks, back when they were in stock, are 3 ply. But what you're gonna do is, on the second square, you're gonna cut at the halfway mark. And that is what I am going. So you're gonna crinkle this like an accordion. So now that you got your accordion finished, you're just gonna keep it in a line, just like that. Now, you're gonna take a rubber band and place it on one end. Now, this part is the part where every other person has been telling you. They're going to tell you to take a stapler and staple it. But what I found is that stapling actually doesn't work. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take masking tape, or duct tape, and place it here on the end, just like that, and repeat on the opposite side now, and there you have it.